Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This quick guide shows how to set private DNS on an iPhone step by step. You need an iPhone with iOS 14 or later and a working internet connection. You also need a DNS provider address such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 that supports DNS over TLS. We will show steps using settings and a DNS app for encrypted DNS configurations. Follow each instruction and test the connection at the end of this slide series. This method secures DNS queries and can improve privacy while browsing on public Wi-Fi. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi to change DNS for a specific network. Tap the information icon next to your network and select Configure DNS manually. Delete existing entries and add DNS addresses like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 9, 9, 9, 9 for basic DNS. For encrypted DNS, install a trusted app such as 1, 1, 1, 1 that uses DNS over HTTPS. Open the app and follow prompts to install its VPN profile for encrypted DNS queries. Confirm the VPN profile is active in settings. After setup, test DNS by visiting a site that shows your DNS resolver IP address. You can also use the app diagnostic tools or run a lookup in a terminal app. If pages fail to load, switch back to automatic DNS and reboot the iPhone. Check that the VPN profile is allowed and that the DNS provider supports your region. To revert changes, return to Configure DNS and select Automatic to restore defaults. Keep your DNS app updated and only use reputable providers to protect privacy and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.